Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your bag on the Royal Air Maroc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Go to your home page and tap on this more button in the upper left corner of the screen, and then click on this sixth icon, track your baggage, and then you will be directed to a website where you should tap on the start tracking button, and here you can see your luggage status. If you type your booking number first of all, then you should type in your name, then your flight date, or you can also add your bag tag number, your name and the flight date, and click on the search button to check out the status of your luggage. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.